Welcome back. I just wanted to come back to you here and give you a second chance to clarify how to find the median in a data set. The last example wasn't very specific or 100% accurate, so I just want to clarify here for a couple of examples to walk you through it. Feel free to join along and see if you get it correct as well. And let's get started here with our example number 1A here. Here's our data set. We have 85, 80, 100, 90, 85, 95, and 90. Whenever we're finding the median of something, we need to put our data set in the right order from least to greatest. So we're going to resort this into order. Our lowest number here looks like it's this 80, so I'm going to cross that out and put 80. After that, it looks like we have 85. We have another 85 here. And notice I'm crossing out. That way I won't do it by accident twice. I'm keeping track of which ones I've already done. Then after 85, looks like we have a 90 right here. Then we have another 90 right here. And we have a 95. And then we have 100. Cross that out. And right there I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers here as well. So now step 2 to finding the median is. Median means the number right in the middle. And if we look at this here, we have a number, number, number. And over here we have a number, number, number. And it looks like 90 is the specific number right in the middle, right in that spot here. I know it's right in the middle because we have 3 digits on this side and 3 digits on that side. That makes 90 the median. That's pretty specific and pretty easy. So I just counted in 3 digits here, 1, 2, 3, and counted backwards 3 numbers from here, 1, 2, 3, like that. And it balances out. There's 3 on both sides. It makes 90 the median. This always happens whenever you have an odd set of numbers. Remember earlier we counted up all the numbers we had in our data set, and we said there was 7 numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you have an odd number of data sets, so like 7, odd number, this will almost always tell you that there's a median that has a number right on it. So the median falls on a number. Just like that. And keep that in mind because that will give you, you can always figure out if you've got the right answer or not by remembering that pattern. If you have an odd number on a data set, if your data set has an odd number of numbers, the median falls on the number, just like this. So let's move on to our next example down here, question number B. We have 12, 61, 85, 52, 19, 15, 21, and 30. And our first step, as always, we need to organize these numbers, this data set, from least to greatest. And it looks like we're going to start off with 12, just like that. Then we have 15. Then we have what looks like 19. After 19, it looks like we have 21. After 21, we have 30. After 30, it looks like we have 52. After 52, it looks like we have 61. And after 61, it looks like we have 85. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers there. So this data set has 8 numbers. Now we need to find the median. The median number is right in the middle. And if we try to do the same strategy we used up here for this one here, we're going to notice there's a problem. So let's count in like 4 numbers. We just try 4. So 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 numbers. So maybe that's the median there. And let's go to the end now and count in 4 numbers. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 numbers. This is the median, but there's no number here that it falls on. So there's 4 on this side in its balance, and there's 4 on this side in its balance. But the median is this mysterious number right here in the middle. And we have a way to figure it out. It's pretty straightforward and simple. This is where the mean comes back to help us finding the average. What we need to do is we need to take 21 and 30, add them together, and then divide them by 2. We're finding the average of them, the mean. So we have 2 numbers, 21 and 30. That's why we're dividing by 2. So you type that into a calculator. That will give you 51 divided by 2. And when you calculate 51 divided by 2 using your calculator, just like this, 51 divided by 2, gives you 25.5. And so 25.5 is the median. It's this number that goes right there, just like that. So just look back at our pattern here. Whenever we have a data set with an even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, on and on and on, whenever your data set has an even set of numbers in it, that means you're almost always going to have to do the average or the mean to find the median. And I hope that clarifies it. So that's your 2 examples. Give it a try on your own. Just pick up any, you can always practice on your own by making your own data set. Just write down a bunch of numbers and then put them in order and see if you can find the median on your own. Good luck, and please ask me any questions that you have.